Sons of Gege,
we no dey give shishi.
Sons of Gege,
we must hammer the opwe.
Sons of Gege,
every opwe must not beam.
Every girl wey dey follow Santa Punch. The opwe must knack beam. The opwe must knack beam. The opwe must knack beam. Knacking don start.
I'm not interested.
I don't beg you. I did grand though. You know come class today now. Why they leader like this now? You know come class. You come class. For say you come class, if for no you don't the beg woman. They say more than they come lecture, and I go say no. Stand up, Jare. No, they leader the beg.
So you know if you say good afternoon. You know if you say good afternoon. Shame. I dey shame for you. I dey shame for you well.
I dey shame for you. Wait oh. E dey here now dey beg this girl. How this opwe wan take knack me?
No mind now. Chief Lord of Pandi. King of Pandi.
That this opwe wan take. If I give slap, you stand up from there.
Enter here next time again. You no gree go out. Slap your eye. Upstairs. This kind of boy wey you carry. This one go make you. Now they carry what you go make people.
They say make una dey come lecture. I no dey hear. No come lecture today now. Why you down the beg woman? But say you come, for no to teach. Because they teach about this way, just do na. And they fuck up with that. Try they come class. Chief Lord of Pandi. Go to your own pand.
I said I'm not interested.
Get out!